wanted to take just a couple of moments and introduce you to how to navigate the course. First and foremost, I want to show you a couple of icons on the left of your screen. The first one is the calendar. If you click that, you will see due dates. You'll notice that pretty much all of our due dates happen at 11:59 at night. And then you'll also see the inbox where you can send emails to me and where I will send emails to you. This is my preferred method of contact. However, I've also provided my phone number and email address at Valencia to you as well. You can use any of those to contact me, and I encourage you to contact me if for any reason you need to. If you have questions about an assignment, if if something's going on and you're not going to be able to turn in some assignments for a couple of days, if you need an extension on something, let me know. I can help you if I know what's going on. It's a lot harder, though, to help when I don't know what's going on. If you scroll down, then you will see a little link to the instructor. This is just a page about information with me. There's a link to your syllabus that provides you information that you really would want to know, like your textbooks that are required, the attendance policy, the late work policy, the extra credit policy, as well as a course schedule so that you can see what's coming each week of the course. So I encourage you strongly to have a very careful look at that, because you will be quizzed on your syllabus in the orientation module at the end of week 1. Then you also have a link for course modules, but you can, in addition to that, go to the weekly module each week. This is how I would go to access course information. I would just click on the week that I'm working toward. So let's have a look at that very quickly. So I apologize, my screen jumped. So if we click on week 1, it's going to take us to our first module. You'll notice that week 1 is just the orientation module. So this week, you're going to read our course policies. You're going to look at the textbook information. You're going to look about learning Canvas. I do want to draw your attention to the Ask Questions Here option. If at any point you have a question that you think is applicable to other people, you can ask it there. You can see questions others have asked and see my responses, or answer questions for others if you know the answer to a question. And then you'll have this week's work. In our first week, you'll have 3 assignments due on Friday: the orientation quiz, the self-assessment, and your introduction of yourself to the class. After that, we're going to move into week 2, where we start to take on a more consistent schedule. So on Mondays, you'll usually have a discussion board, and on Fridays, you'll have some sort of an analytical activity to do. So you have usually 2 assignments per week: a Monday assignment and a Friday assignment. One thing that you'll notice is that you have access to the week 1 and week 2 module now. A couple of things about that, though. The first is, when you're working through the modules, you have to start with the first page and read each page in order, and then complete each assignment in order to gain access to the next assignment. Once you've completed all of module 1, then you'll have access to module 2. Again, you'll have to read each assignment in order and read each page in order and complete each assignment in order, and so that you have access or are able to continually move through the course. If you see that an assignment is locked, it's generally because you haven't looked at everything before that assignment. So I wanted to, first of all, bring your attention to that. The second thing is, at this point, you will have access to week 1 and to the week 2 modules. Each Thursday, the next week's module becomes available. So this coming Thursday, I will open the week 3 module. At the end of week 2, on that Thursday, I'll open the week 4 module. So I'm giving you a couple of weeks ahead so that you can, if you need to move ahead quickly, you can, but also not providing you so much that you feel overwhelmed at one time. If at any point you have questions or you need help, please reach out to me. I want to help you. I want to be whatever you need me to be to help you be successful in this course. But that will only happen if we have a clear line of communication. So please reach out to me.